Breaking news: Edo State prohibits gathering of more than 50 people following the recent happening in the country concerning the novel Boko Haram cases in Nigeria. The Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, has placed a ban on gatherings of more than 50 people in any part of the state as part of efforts to prevent the spread of the virus. The governor also ordered public officers below grade level 12, except those providing essential services such as fire service and health care workers, to work from home until further notice. Governor Obaseki disclosed this while briefing newsmen on the step taken by his administration to ensure the virus is contained in the state. Meanwhile, the chief medical director of Irua Specialist Hospital, Sylvester Okogbeni, said that Edo State has recorded its first case of coronavirus. Okogbeni said that we have a patient who came back from Europe, was diagnosed, and the results confirmed that he tested positive for the virus. The person is presently under isolation. He is getting treatment and is expected to get better. Governor Obaseki, who urged residents not to panic as the state government has taken serious steps to prevent further spread of the virus in the state, said his administration has developed an action plan to cope with pandemic. The governor called on citizens to make public the identity of anyone that arrived from Europe, American or Asia in the last 30 days for screening and support. He assured that the state will provide the necessary support to check the pandemic in the country. Obaseki said, "We have 3 isolation centers in Benin City, Irua and Auchi, the federal government testing center in Irua, and a large number of well-trained and satisfied health workers to treat patients. All public officers below grade level 12 are expected those providing initial and essential services such as fire service and health care. It should be the one to go to work, should work from home until further notice. All schools should remain closed in order to give effect to our social distancing. A gathering of more than 50 people is prohibited in Edo State until further notice. Public transportation will remain in operation. However, crowding in commercial vehicles should be avoided. Then the private vehicle should not be crowded with so many people in the vehicle. Coronavirus is not a dead disease or death sentence, so no need to panic. The common signs and symptoms of the corona infection include dry cough with fever and difficulty in breathing. Since COVID-19 is a virus that is transmitted from one person to another through close contact, the most important and proven remedy to reduce its spread is through social distancing. Citizens are advised to postpone unnecessary travels in and out of Edo State, and if possible, stay at home. The governor added. He urged residents not to panic but remain calm and cooperate with the government by ensuring they follow the instructions and steps which have been outlined to curtail the COVID-19. The governor also called on the people of the parts any signs or symptoms of coronavirus to the nearest designated hospital. He urged the governor also called on the people to report any signs of symptoms of coronavirus to the nearest designated hospital for monitoring, testing, and care for quick recovery. The designated hospitals include the Center Hospital, Edo Specialist Hospital, Stella Obasanjo Hospital, Irua Specialist Hospital, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, and Aochi Specialist Hospital. If you know of anyone who arrived from Europe, America, or Asia in the last 30 days, please give the detail of such persons, including their phone numbers, so that we can provide screening and any required support to him and to them. Viewers, I'm so impressed with Obaseki. It's what he has said today is really very, very important, and I'm so proud of him for this. I never liked him before. I never liked Obaseki in any way, but with what he has said concerning showing concern to the world or to the world, let's say Edo State, as a person, I think he deserves a kudos for that. He really tried for this. Look at what he said the prevention of coronavirus, gave instances and caution every Nigerians in Edo State to take precaution and abide by whatsoever the government has said, and put a stop to some things that are not relevant in order not for this virus not to be spread all over the states. So what is your take on this? If you have any comments, don't hesitate to drop your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscribe button as well as the bell button to receive notifications whenever I publish any new video. And don't forget, like and share this news as well. Thank you as you do. Have a wonderful day. Bye.